guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own morning breakfast smoothie. This is a fantastic way to get a lot of vitamins and minerals into your diet, as well as starting your day off with the right foot. So come on, jump in with me, get this easy to make smoothie. It's not going to take you less than 5 minutes to make, and I can guarantee you're going to have a nice nutrient-dense, vitamin and mineral packed smoothie that's going to start off your day on the right foot. So with that being said, let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 1 banana, 1 to 2 cups of frozen organic berries, some filtered water. I'm using a Brita filter here to filter my water, but you can use any kind of filtered water you have. Some hemp hearts, 1 to 2 cups of spinach, and last but not least, half a scoop of organic lean protein powder. This one I'm using is a vegetarian-based one, and I would stay away from the whey protein, so I would highly recommend investing in a plant-based protein powder. This one I got from Costco. It's a Lean Fit organic plant-based protein powder that you can get, but any kind of organic plant-based protein powder will do as well. This recipe is very easy. It just takes a few ingredients to get it started. So I'm going to start with 1 large banana and add it to the blender. Then I'm going to take 1 to 2 cups of frozen berries. Next I'm going to add half a scoop of protein powder. After you added your protein powder, I'm going to add just about 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts. I just take a pinch and I kind of throw it in there, but 1 generous tablespoon. Then I'm going to finish off the smoothie by adding some organic spinach. This is an awesome food that I would recommend you add to any of your recipes. If you ever struggle with what kind of vegetables to put into your diet, I would highly recommend some sauteed spinach. You can check my 10-second spinach video down below, or you can simply add it to a smoothie. But it's a great way to add some micronutrients into your diet no matter where you are in your life. Once you got all your ingredients together, blend your smoothie. And after you're done, you have yourself 1 delicious cup of organic blueberry, spinach, and protein powder smoothie. Alright guys, and that's the video. I guys hope you guys enjoy this delicious morning smoothie. A few ideas that you can incorporate the smoothie with is you can make 2 to 3 eggs with some grass-fed butter, 2 to 3 strips of turkey bacon on the pan as well with olive oil. You guys can use the same pan, and then 1 slice of gluten-free toast with some grass-fed butter as well, and maybe some sauteed spinach. You can check my easy 10-second sauteed spinach video below, and you can incorporate this as a drink of choice to add, or you can have this alone, or you can have this before or after exercise, or anytime during the first half of the day. Something you may want to stay away from later in the day because it does have a lot of sugar, even though it's low glycemic, but this will definitely give you the energy you need if you need it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all my recipes are going to be acne friendly. There's no gluten or dairy obviously in this recipe, and a lot of my recipes are gluten and dairy free and designed for people who have allergies or sensitivities to different food substances. And that's the whole purpose of this channel, is to help people clear up their skin using real whole foods by taking care of your health, taking ownership of your health, and really clearing up your skin from the inside out. And it really starts with what you put in your body. And once you start making those changes, you'll start realizing that, hey, what I eat does affect my skin. It also affects how I feel. And at the end of the day, you're going to be happier and better off because of it. So I'm so grateful you guys saw my channel. Hope you guys like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I hope you guys will stick around to see some more recipes because I'm looking forward to pumping out some more for you. So thanks so much for viewing, guys. I love you very much. And keep on trucking, keep on having a good life, and don't stop being you. So cheers to that.